Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Anita Patil. Welcome back to my class. I hope that you all are following the protocols of COVID-19 and I trust that you all are safe and healthy at your home. Well, in the last class, we have discussed the meaning of computer, that is, the definition of computer and differences between humans and computers and different kinds of computer. Is it not? Yes. Well, in the today's class, I am going to teach you what does a computer is made up of and how to start and shut down a computer. Let us see. A computer is made up of hardware and software. I do repeat. A computer is made up of a hardware and software. What do you mean by hardware and software, children? Let us see here. Hardware refers to the parts of a computer that you can touch and feel it. Okay? Examples, you can touch the monitor, that is screen, you can touch keyboard, you can touch mouse, you can touch the CPU cabinet. Is it not? Yes. Those parts of a computer are called hardware. Okay? Next, software. What do you mean by software? A set of instructions or a set of commands or set of protocols. Protocols means rules. Okay? A set of instructions or commands given to a computer is called software. Here, you cannot touch the software. Example, MS Office 2013 and Microsoft Windows, etc. Okay. Well children, let us learn how to start a computer and shut down a computer by this small video clip.
Switching on and switching off. Having said all, now let us practically use a computer. First step would be to switch on the computer. The process of switching on the computer is called booting. To switch on a computer, follow these steps. Switch on the power supply and the UPS. Press the power supply button of the CPU box and switch on the monitor. Wait for the machine to completely load the operating system. Once the operating system is loaded, a screen called desktop appears. Now you are ready to work on the computer. Now, after we have completed our work, the computer must be switched off. It should be done properly to avoid any damage and loss of information. To switch off a computer, follow these steps. Save all your work and close all the programs. Click the Start button and then click Turn off computer. The Turn off dialog box has two more options. Standby option is used to put your computer in a low power state, and Restart option is used to shut down and restart Windows again. Now, switch off the monitor, the UPS and the power supply switch.
I hope you have understood how to start and shut down a computer. I know that you all are much familiar with the computers. Even though just I would like to recall it once. There are few steps need to be followed how to start and how to shut down a computer. Let us see. Starting a computer. Step 1. Switch on the power supply. Okay. Next. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the power button on the CPU box. That is CPU cabinet. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Step 4. Switch on the monitor. After some time, a screen appears. That screen is called desktop. What do you mean by desktop, children? When you switch on a computer, it will take few minutes to on it. A screen will appear. That screen is called desktop. Okay. Then, what do you mean by icons? A small picture on the screen. A small pictures on the screen. On the desktop, you will see a small pictures. Those are called icons. Okay. Well, next, how to shut down a computer? Let us see. Step 1. Click on the start button. Okay. Step 2. A menu will appear. When you click on the start button, a menu will be appear. Click on the shutdown button. A message appears that system is logging off. Then you have to shut down it. Okay. And step 3. You have to switch off the power supply button on the monitor. Next, step 4, switch off UPS and power supply. Usually, we won't off the power supply button because it is kept on to keep the UPS in a charged mode. That's why we won't off the power supply. I hope you have understood today's session. See you in the next class. Till then, keep learning. Have a nice day. Thank you.